With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between two types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, Levoit's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home. Levoit.
Get the best sleep of your life while treating your skin and maintaining a healthy home with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Everlasting Comfort. Effortlessly increase humidity in any room with the humidifier's ultrasonic cool mist, proven to improve sleep, allergies, and skin health by reducing airborne viruses and bacteria. The humidifier features a 6-liter, 1.6-gallon large capacity water tank with a super high mist output of 270 milliliters per hour, lasting up to 50 straight hours between refills. Unlike most ultrasonic humidifiers that come with a filter that needs replacing every couple of months, our unique humidifier is filterless, and it runs whisper quiet. Set it and forget it. And rest easy with the auto shut-off feature that automatically turns off your humidifier once it runs out of water. Plus, it includes a built-in essential oil tray. Simply add your favorite essential oils and fill your room with clean, pure, and fresh-smelling aromas. Get the humidifier Kendall Jenner personally recommends in Allure magazine as one of her favorite beauty products. Relax and refresh with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Everlasting Comfort.
When it gets chilly outside and congestion and allergies act up, dry air can make matters worse. Levoit's new Classic 200 humidifier has state-of-the-art technology to ensure you get the moisture in the air that you need. Enjoy up to 40 hours of humidity and choose between 3 mist levels. Use the 360-degree mist nozzles to direct the mist for maximum comfort. You can even use your humidifier to fill the room with relaxing aromas from essential oils. And when it's time for bed, the Classic 200 can run without light and operate quieter than a library. When the humidifier runs out of water, it automatically turns off. Easily clean your humidifier using vinegar and get an even deeper clean with the included cleaning brush. With a wide opening and a handle on the water tank, it is easy to refill and carry. No matter how dry it gets in your home this winter, put some moisture back in the air with Levoit's Classic 200 humidifier.